Hey guys, I am Eva at The Line Method, and today we are going to show you 2 things to avoid for hypermobility when you're doing an overhead press. So the first thing we're going to go over is the shoulder shrug. So go ahead, press your arms up overhead. Ooh, yeah, so shoulders are eating the ears right now. We want to go ahead, relax the arms down, make sure we're not going into that space. The other thing is to make sure your arms aren't ending up behind your head. Yeah, so she's way behind the ears there, ribs are really puffed out. Go ahead, bring the arms down. So, in order to get this movement nice and stable, you're gonna keep the shoulders low. You're gonna think about keeping the ribs just very, very softly pulled down towards the navel. And you're gonna go ahead and give me that overhead press. Obviously, we don't wanna be crunching here, but you notice how her range shortens quite a bit. Go ahead, bring it on down. And that is okay, because